Today's topic, area. This is a closed figure. What is its area? The area means the amount of space. The amount of space enclosed by a closed figure. Then its area means this surface. This amount of space, the amount of space enclosed by a closed figure is known as area. Then how to find out area of a closed figure? Then look here, a closed figures outline drawn on a which type of paper this? This paper is graph paper. Means look, this is square, one square. One area of one square is square into means centimeter. This is 1 centimeter space. This is also 1 centimeter. Then area of this square is then 1 into 1 centimeter square. Means the area of one square is 1 centimeter square or square unit. Then how to find out this area of this figure? Then look here, this figure draw on a graph, graph page. Then first we look total how many full square means enclosed, means how many full square you can see here, full square. Look, this 1 and this 2. Total how many full square? Balance are less than half or more than half square. So this how many full square? Here 2 full square. So number of full square is equal to 2. Then how many is half square? Here you can see half of the square. Look, this is more than half, this also more than. This we can take half. This half square or any other. Look, no. So number of half of square or half of number of half of the square. Square is equal to 1. And now how many more than half of the square? How many number of more than half of the square? Number of more than half of the square. How many number? Count. This is more than half. More than half. This and this also more than half. This more than half and more than half. More than half. This also more than half. So total how many more than half? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. More than half? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6 more than half. So we can write here 6. Then next less than, number of less than half. Number of less than half. How many number of less than half of the square you can see here? Look, this is less than half and this also less than half and this is less than half. How many less than half? 1, 2, 3. 3 less than half. So what is how to find its area of this closed figure? Area of the closed figure is equal to, here how many number of full square? Full square, then 2. So we know 1 square, area of 1 square is 1 square unit, 1 centimeter square means 1 square unit. So 2 into 1. So how many unit? 2 square unit. So this we can take 2 square means 2 square unit. So 2 square unit plus. Then next, number of half of the square. How many half of the square? 1 half of the square. Means which one? Half of the square? 1 half of the square. So this we take as half. 1 into half. So what is 1 into half? Half unit square unit. Half square unit. Then number of half of the square here 1. So it's 1 into half square unit. So we can write half square. This is 2 square unit. This is half square unit plus. Then next, number of more than half of the square. More than half of the square, how many? 6 more than half of the square. So 6. So this we take as 1 unit. Means 1 more than half of the square we take 1. So here 6 more than half of the square. So we take 6 into 1 is equal to 6 square unit. 6 square unit. So more than half of the square will come. This we take as 1 square unit. Is it clear? Then full square also we take 1 square unit, and more than half will come, that square also we take as 1 unit. So here how many number of more than half of the square? 6 number of more than half of the square. So 6 multiplied by 1. What is its square unit? 6 square unit. So here we can write 6 square unit. Then number of less than half, how many square? How many less than half of the square? 3. So this 1 less than half of the square we take as 0. What is less than half will come, we take as 0. So here how many less than half square? 3. So 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Then so area of the closed figure is equal to 2 plus half plus means 2 unit square plus half unit square plus 6 unit square plus 0. Then total how many? 2 plus 6, 8. 8 and half square unit. Then area of this closed figure. What is the area of this closed figure? Is equal to 8 and half square unit. Is it clear? Then first we count the full square. Then next, this full square we take as 1 unit, and next more than half of the square. This more than half of the square also we can take 1 unit, and half of the square we take half unit, and less than half will come, we take that unit is 0 unit. Is it clear? Then next, your textbook exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. Here first question, look, this is a square shape. Look, what is the shape of this figure? Shape of the figure A. Sorry, area of the figure A. Area of the figure A is equal to, look, how many full square here? Here all are full square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is it? 9 full square. 9 full square. So is equal to 9 square unit, or 9 square unit. The next, your textbook, look, your textbook, question number F. Question number F. Then area of the this A. The next question F. Area of the figure F. Area of the figure F. Then here look this figure. First we look number of full square. How many number of full square? Look, 1, 2. Sorry, this also 1. Total how many full square? Number of full square plus. The next balance all are half of the square. So how many half of the square? Half of the square. This half of the square, and this also half of the square. This half of the square. This also half of the square. So total how many half of the square? Here 4 half of the square. Then plus number of half of the square. Square means this square, 1 square. This 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Likewise, here total 2 full square and 4 half of the square. Then number of half of the square, number of full square plus number of half of the square. Then we can write is equal to how many full square? 2. So here we can write 2 square unit plus 2 square unit plus how many? Half into 4 square unit. Half into square unit. Here how many half unit? 4. So half into 4. Then is equal to 2 square unit plus 2 square unit plus